Hello everyone, in this tutorial you will learn how to create a pie chart in Microsoft Excel using a large dataset. You will also learn how to summarize large amount of data so your pie chart remains clear, readable and professional. This is useful for sales report, budget analysis, survey results and business dashboard. So let's begin. First, separate category. Use most 5 or most 10 category for large data. I have already separated to this category. Then select your data, product and sales. Go to Insert tab, Recommended chart, All chart, Find pie chart. Select 2D pie chart or 3D donut chart. Example, use pie chart or 2D. Double click to this title, change your title name here, change shadow, glow, add data labels, and now see this, change colors, layout, choose layout options, add chart element, chart title, data labels, center, inside int, outside int, best fit, callout, or more data labels option. Example, use outside int and chart title. Type your chart title here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.